Hello, I'm Katie with WTI and I want to share with you this tiny rose silver flower ring from JESMING. Now, I am a huge lover of dainty jewelry. I tend to gravitate towards silver jewelry, and this ring is so tiny and delicate, but gorgeous. It wears so great with all my other silver jewelry. It is made of copper and is silver plated. It's safe to wear, so if you are allergic to nickel or lead, this is a great choice for you. It's also recommended by the brand to remove it before showering or going to bed to protect the quality. Doing this, I haven't noticed any issues such as tarnishing, and I also love that it comes in a gift box, making it perfect as a gift for a loved one. You will not regret purchasing this ring. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.